Are you interested in getting started with Azure, but don't know how to create a subscription and receive $200 credit for free? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to create an Azure subscription and receive your $200 credit. Step 1. Go to the Azure website by typing azure.com into your web browser. Step 2. Click on the Try Azure for free, then click on Start Free green button on the page. Step 3. Sign into your Microsoft account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Step 4. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the Create a Free Account page. Fill in the required information and click on Next. You'll be asked to verify your identity by providing your phone number. Enter your phone number and click on Send Verification Code. On the next page, you'll be asked to provide your credit card information. Don't worry, you won't be charged unless you choose to upgrade your subscription after the free trial period. Enter your credit card information and click on Next. Congratulations, you've created an Azure subscription and received $200 credit for free. Now you can explore the various Azure services and start building your applications in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Azure and other cloud technologies.